Good morning, children. It's time for the SST class, and today we will be doing the revision work of Chapter 6, Our Food. We know that our country, India, is very vast. It has different physical features as we have studied in our previous chapter. Its climate varies from place to place. Food is essential for our growth. Why do we need food? We need food for growth and for to give us, and we get from food we get energy. The kinds of food crops grown in our country also vary from place to place. That is why people living in the different states and union territories eat the food that is grown in their areas. The kind of food grains, vegetables and fruits grown in India, they vary from place to place. Favorite food. So in different places they have the crops that are grown, they usually have that particular food. Now let's do the favorite food. In northern India, people love to eat wheat and rice. In dry Rajasthan, people prefer millet like jowar and bajra besides wheat. Dal bati is a popular dish of Rajasthan. So what is the popular dish of Rajasthan? Dal bati. People of southern and eastern India generally eat rice. In the coastal areas, people eat rice with fish. People of Kashmir love to eat rice, fish and kadam ka saag. Punjab is famous for makki ki roti and sarson ka saag. People belonging to Maharashtra and Gujarat like to eat rice, pulses, curd, vegetables and papad. So different states of people they have their different favorite food that is very much popular in that particular area. Maharashtra is famous for pav bhaji, bhel puri and shrikhand. Similarly, idli, sambar, dosa, rasam and uttapam are the favorite dishes of South India. People all over the country use oil to cook. The common oils that people use are mustard oil, ghee, groundnut oil, coconut oil and sunflower oil. So what are the common oils that people use? It is the mustard oil, ghee, groundnut oil, coconut oil and sunflower oil. People also add different spices to flavor different dishes. Spices make food colorful and tasty. So if you don't add spices and anything spices, your food you won't like because they add colorful they full and tasty to they make the food colorful and tasty. Common spices grown in India are chilies, turmeric, pepper, cloves, cardamom, garlic and ginger. Kerala is famous for its spices. It is known as the land of spices. So which state is known as the land of spices? Kerala. Why is Kerala famous? Kerala is famous for its spices. Indians are also fond of sweets. Many kinds of sweets are prepared in every part of India. A number of sweet desserts are prepared from milk, yogurt, fruits, and nuts. A number of sweet desserts are prepared from milk, yogurt, fruits, and nuts. West Bengal is famous for its sweets like rasagullas and sandesh. Interesting fact, all the food we eat comes from plants and animals. Tea and coffee are favorite beverages in India. Darjeeling tea is famous all over the world. Interesting fact, milk is a complete food. Gujarat is the leading producer of milk in India. So, which state is the leading producer of milk in India? Gujarat. Fruits and vegetables. Along with food grains, fruits and vegetables also form a part of the Indian meal. So, people grow and eat fruits and vegetables. Some fruits and vegetables like bananas, onions, and potatoes are available throughout the year. Carrots, peas, and grapes grow in winter. Mangoes are only available in summer. Such fruits and vegetables which are available only in a particular season are called seasonal fruits and vegetables. The fruits and vegetables that is only available in the particular season are known as seasonal fruits and vegetables. Different fruits grow best in different states of our country. So there are different fruits that are grown in different fruits grow best in different states of our country. So different fruits they grow in different states. That is best for in their the best different states grow different types of fruits or vegetables according to their climatic conditions, soil. Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh are famous for good quality apples. So where are good quality apples found? They are found in Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is often called the apple state of India. So which state is known as the apple state of India? It's Himachal Pradesh. Next, Bihar is famous for lychees. Bihar is famous for which fruit? It is famous for lychees. Nagpur in Maharashtra is called the city of oranges. Which city is known as the city of oranges? Nagpur in Maharashtra. Ratnagiri in Maharashtra is famous for Alfonso mangoes. So Alfonso mangoes are famous in where? They are famous for Ratnagiri in Maharashtra. Gujarat is famous for sapodilla. Sapodilla in what do we call as chikus? Chiku. So which state is famous for sapodilla or chikus? It is Gujarat. And what do we call sapodilla? We call chikus. Coconut is available in the coastal states such as Kerala and Tamil Nadu. India is the second biggest producer of vegetables in the world after China. So India is the second biggest producer of vegetables in the world after China. Transport of food articles. Now see this food, the fruits or vegetables they are famous for of particular states and from. So how do we get that fruit or vegetables in our state? Food grains, vegetables, fruits and sorry. Food grains, vegetables and fruits and milk are produced throughout the country. Food grains, vegetables, fruits, milk are produced throughout the country. Lorries, trucks and trains carry food grains and other articles of food from villages to cities and even from one state to another. So lorries, trucks and trains carry food grains and other articles of food from villages to cities and even from one state to another. So in short, what have we studied in this chapter? That number one is people eat those food items that are grown in their area. Next, the main food items in India are rice, wheat and pulses. Next, people add different spices to flavor different dishes. Next, India is the second biggest producer of vegetables in the world after China. Now, let's do some exercises. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. Many kinds of sweets are prepared in every part of India. Many kinds of sweets are prepared in every part of India. Jowar and bajra are millets. Jowar and bajra are millets. People in coastal areas eat rice with fish. Darjeeling is famous for its tea. Next, put right for right and wrong for wrong in the box. Climate varies from place to place. It's true. Right. People of Punjab love to eat fried fish and kadam ka saag. It's wrong. Spices make food colorful and tasty. People of Punjab, they love to eat makki ka roti and sarson ka saag. In coastal areas, people eat fries and fish. True. Now take the correct option. The Alphonso mangoes, famous worldwide, are grown in Maharashtra. The Alphonso mangoes, famous worldwide, are grown in Maharashtra. Nagpur is famous for oranges. Nagpur is famous for oranges. Wheat is the favorite food of northern part of India. Dal bati is a popular dish of Rajasthan. So we have completed the revision work of this chapter 6. Go through the chapter properly. There are many short questions. Go through it. Thank you.